Hey guys, so this is my favorite video to do of all of these. It's pretty much finished. This is what I call what did I call this? The great deal house. So we got a great deal in this house. We spent about 3 months refurbishing it. It was like an old trailer home. It had a lot of damage on the inside, especially on the outside. It was pretty nice, but we spent 3 months making it look beautiful, and we put it up for sale, and we sold it in 1 week. We're gonna make tons of money off this. This is a great investment. So let me just kind of show you what we've done so far. So this is the front door I'm at, or this is actually the side door I'm at. So we come in, we put in all new flooring right here. Here's the bathroom. Kept the tub, paint and everything. Got a crown in here. We painted all of this white. New air conditioning. All of this had tons of water damage. The ceiling was just falling down. It had mold and everything, so we repaired that. Put new texture up there. So this particular laminate comes in here, and then we did a transition. Painted the walls, all new color, painted the trim, put this faux beam up. This is another wood laminate, so we did this whole area. This is the front door right here. Got a nice fireplace. Here's the porch. We redid all of the porch railings. Those were kind of falling apart, so we made new ones, painted them, put them up. It's a really pretty porch. Let's see what else we got. That's the back doors. New chandelier, new light fixtures. So you come in here, we've got new carpet. This is the first bedroom, like it has this little fan in it for little bedroom. This is the bathroom, new tub, new surround, new paint everywhere, new light up here, new flooring in here. Here's the second little bedroom. Looking good. There's the master. It's a really big bedroom. New fan. It's got like a walk-in closet. Comes right out to the living room. So one of the best things about being a home flipper, I found, is that you get to take your vision for something. It's kind of like being an artist, and instead of painting, we come in and we build what we want. Here's the man of the hour.
The man and the legend.
He's the one that is the brains and the money behind all of this.
And the sweat.
And the sweat, yeah. So he has busted his butt for months working on this house. And it looks amazing. It sold quick. We are closing on it in how long?
2 weeks and 2 days, but not counting.
Yes, not counting the days and hours before we have the money in our hands. But this was a great investment, I think. He's gonna make a lot of money, and it's gonna fund the next flip. And we're just gonna keep going until we are millionaires. You ready for that day? Yeah.
Does that include debt as far as the millionaires go?
Don't be a Debbie Downer. So y'all, oh wait, here, no, he's not a worker. He's just, he kind of,
He's a little bit.
This one, this is the man right here. He does all the work.
I don't know what.
Some heavy duty.
Yeah, what about trimming all those trees out in the front?
Oh, we didn't see the trees. Oh, you see? Want to see? Hold on. Let's look. Okay, we'll go out here. Ah! Okay, so he is actually an arborist, and he came out here and trimmed all the trees in the front. And here's our deck, painted the roof. There he is. Oh, they did the. Look at this garden.
What's that smell?
Look at that garden. We got our garden. We made some cuttings from our sweet potato vines from our personal houses, and they're taking pretty good. Bought a couple little flowers. It looks great. Anyway, so this has been a success. A lot of, you know, kind of hiccups along the way, but that's going to be expected with any build you do, I would think. My house that I'm doing right now, the roof fell down when I was just standing there. So you know what? This one has gone pretty smooth. And what, he's going to make maybe 80K off of it, somewhere in that area. We're in Texas, so that's a lot of money for Texas. Anyway, thank you all for watching our progress. Like and subscribe. That helps us just watching the videos and like commenting on the videos. It brings our algorithm up so that YouTube pays us more for our views. So you can do all that and help us out and not even have to donate any money or anything. I'd really appreciate it. Our family appreciates it. Stay tuned for our next project coming up. It's going to be really cool. I think you're really going to like it. If you see anything that we've done that you would do different, or you have any ideas for us, please, down in the comments, write me and let me know. I need to know this stuff. I don't know everything and I want to learn. So y'all help me out and we'll go on this journey together. Anyway, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. It has been wonderful. Mwah. See you later.